Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your WordPress theme. So first, if we click on right here, we'll see that this is the default theme and what it looks like. And while it's not bad, we definitely want to change it so that it doesn't look like every other WordPress site out there. So what we're going to do is over here where it says Appearance, click on Themes, and then click on Add New. And if you've purchased a theme, which is what I'm going to show in this one, you can pull it up. If you want to pick one that's already out there, that's free, you can pick one of these. Okay, so let's say I'll just show you for the sake of the example here how to do one of these themes first that's already out there. So we click on Install, and these are free, by the way, and then Activate. And just like that, when we come over here and we refresh this page now, we can see it already has a different theme. Now if we want to use a theme that we've purchased, which is always going to be the safer bet as far as not having to worry with people hacking into your site or anything like that, then we click on Upload Theme and Browse. And then in this case, the theme I'm going to install is called Mindful, and it's in a zip file. So I can click on that and then click Open and Install Now and then Activate. So now if we come over here and we refresh this page, we'll see it has the new theme in there. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install a theme on WordPress.